So now discuss second problem. A particle moving with the velocity is acted by three forces shown by the vector triangle PQR. The velocity of the particle will. Okay, this is the problem. This is the theoretical condition. It's a NEET 2019 edition. NEET 2019 edition. In this theoretical question asking NEET 2019 edition. A particle moving. Okay, three forces acting in the same order. Three forces PQR, three forces is acting in the same order in the closed path. The same order in closed path. The net force will be 0. The net force will be 0. Three forces PQR, three forces PQR acting in a closed path same order the net force is 0. The net force is 0. Therefore F net is equal to 0. The force is nothing but the mass into acceleration. The acceleration is nothing but change in moment, change in velocity by time taken. The mass into R, it is written as m into dv bar by dt is equal to 0. The velocity of particle is constant. Then v bar is equal to constant. V is equal to constant. The velocity of the particle will be constant. This is the NEET 2019 edition. Okay, in this NEET level, so theoretical questions also is very important. Three forces PQR acting in a closed path will be 0. The closed path, the net force is 0. The net force is 0. Or the force is nothing but mass into change in velocity by time taken, m into dv by dt is equal to 0. Then the velocity will be constant. Okay, this is the second problem. Okay, now discuss about third problem. A body under the action of a force F bar is equal to 6 I cap minus 8 j cap plus 10 k cap acquires an acceleration of 1 meter per second square. The mass of this body must be. Okay, then find out mass calculated in this formula, in this problem. Okay, by using Newton's second law, F is equal to ma. Okay, three unit vectors are there, I cap, j cap and k cap. Okay, these three unit vectors acting along the x axis, y axis and z axis respectively. Okay, first so write the given data. Okay, the force F is equal to 6 I cap minus 8 j cap plus 10 k cap. The magnitude of force is equal to square root of fx square plus fy square plus fz square. Okay, in this one, so mod f is equal to square root of fx. Okay, this is the x-axis. That unit vector is I cap 6. 6 square is the 36. So minus minus 8 whole square, that is the 64. 64 plus 10 square is the 100. 10 square is the 100. That is equal to, so 200. 200 it is written as 10 root 2 Newton. 10 root 2 Newton. This is the magnitude of the force. Then acceleration is equal to 1 meter per second square. 1 meter per second square. Then find out mass of the body. By using Newton's second law, F is equal to ma. Then m is equal to F by a. Then F is the 10 root 2. 10 root 2 by 1, that is equal to 10 root 2 kg. The mass of the body is 10 root 2 kg. This is the problem asking NEET 2019 edition. Okay, very simple. By using Newton's second law, F is equal to ma. A body under the action of force F bar is equal to 6 I cap. The unit vectors are there. The unit vectors by using coordinate system, x-axis and y-axis and z-axis, acting along the x-axis I cap, y-axis the j cap and z-axis is the k cap. Okay, then the magnitude of force F bar is equal to mod F bar is equal to square root of fx square plus fy square plus and fz square. These three are mutually perpendicular to each other. The three forces fx and fy, this is the fx and this is the fy and z-axis is the fz. So like this one. This is the fx, I cap, fy, j cap, fz, k cap. Okay, these three forces, x-axis and y-axis, z-axis, these three are mutually perpendicular to each other. The magnitude of force mod F bar is equal to square root of fx square plus fy square plus fz square, that is equal to fx is the 6. Okay, 36 plus 8 square, that is 64 plus 10 square is the 100. Totally 200. It is written as square root of 200. It is written as 10 root 2 Newton. That is the force. The magnitude of the force 10 root 2 Newton, and the acceleration is acting the body. A is equal to 1 meter per second square. Then find out mass of the body by using Newton's second law. F is equal to ma. Then m is equal to f by a. F is the 10 root 2 by 1, that is equal to 10 root 2 kg. This is the problem. This problem asking NEET 2009 edition.